Hey, today I'm going to air fry my first big piece of meat. I got a 5-pound turkey breast. I know some people have small families and they only make a turkey breast. I know 2 people that do that. They only have turkey breast. We get a little pre-made mashed potatoes, stuffing, and it's such a simple meal. I got the new Cosori air fryer oven. I have it preheating right now at 380 degrees. I'm going to use the air fry method to air fry a 5-pound turkey breast. I'm going to put it right into the pan here. This is like the broiling pan, but I want to put a little rack in just to keep it up a little bit off the bottom. I need a bigger counter, you know that. I'm going to spray this with olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of thyme. You could brush this with olive oil, but I like spraying it. That way you don't get your brush all poultried up. I'll spray that with olive oil. Freshly ground pepper, sea salt, beautiful. A little thyme, which is my favorite spice lately for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Look, see it? Well, that's gonna be the top anyway. Well, it's gonna sit on a rack. I'm gonna turn it over. Do the other side. See it? I'm gonna wash my hands quick. More olive oil. More palt and pepper. Oh, it smells good already. That's on preheat. Did I mention that? We made toast in there. I made them frozen David cookies in there. We heated up some tater tots, right? That's great. I love this. Time. Almost out of time. Hurry up then. Flip it back over. Put it on the little rack with the broiling pan. Clean up a little more. And you know what we say now? Put it in the oven, set it and forget it. When you take this pan out, it's going to be hot. Okay? Put it on the bottom rack there. And a few things I've noticed since I saw you last about this. It has little things like this line says for baking. You put your rack there on the middle. Toast, bagel, pizza, air fried cookies, or dehydrate. You put your rack in the middle. And for broiling, put it on the top. Little shortcuts that I didn't show you before. Of course, I'm still learning, and every little thing I learn, I'm going to show you. What were you going to make on your channel?
Chicken legs.
Oh, yeah, Kathy was going to make chicken leg, fried chicken legs?
Air fried.
Air fried? Yeah, but the thing about this is it's a convection oven as well. It's an oven, a convection oven, a rotisserie, a broiler, a toaster, and an air fryer. It's still on preheat. We're starting at 2 hours. Not sure how long it's going to take. There's a nice light in there. See it? So good. All right, I'm going to let you know how it goes. The fan icon is on. The heating icon is on. Air fry, it says right there. And we could change our settings down here, but oops, see. Time. Temperature down below. Starting on 380 for 2 hours. All right, it's beautiful. So this is an easy way to have a delicious turkey meal for Thanksgiving or for the next holiday coming up, or get this for a gift for somebody for Christmas. And they'll make you a turkey. Okay, can't wait. We'll show you later, all right? I'll check back with you as we go here. I believe when it reaches that temperature, that's when the time is going to count down. Yes, that's what I believe. Okay, be back soon. 30 minutes have passed. I don't know if you can hear it sizzling, but I can. And look at that, it's beautiful. You turn the light on in there. I'm going to turn the temperature down to 350 right now. All right, leave it there. And we want the internal temperature to be 165 at the end. This has a 360 degree circulating air inside. It's a lot quieter than any other air fryer I've had here too. And it smells good. I shouldn't have opened it, but I had to show you. All right, check back in another half hour. It's been 1 hour. Look at that beautiful piece of turkey breast. Remember, this is the first time I ever air fried a turkey breast. And I want the inside temperature to be 165. I'm going to check it right now. A little bit of ways to go. Okay, 135.
135.7.
All right, close it up. Boy, that smells so good. And it looks good too. We want to get this part brown now too. There's about 25 seconds remaining. It looks nice and golden brown in there. And I'm still so amazed of how quiet this is compared to every other air fryer I ever used. Three, two, one. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful turkey breast. I sure hope the internal temperature is 165 right now, because I'm hungry. Oh, look at it. Does it look good? Temperature. $171. Yes. Check another spot. Ooh, 193. Yes, we're done. All right, let's let that sit for a couple minutes. I'm so impressed with this Cosori air fryer oven. It's amazing. Now, to complete your easy meal, look what we have. Potatoes already cooked. All you gotta do is heat them up. Can of turkey gravy. Oh yeah. Wegmans herb stuffing. See, your whole meal's complete already. And don't forget the whipped mashed potatoes. So I'm just showing you how easy you can create a nice Thanksgiving meal or a holiday meal with an air fried turkey breast. Look at this. I'm still looking forward to Thanksgiving though. But I had to show you this in case you feel like doing this. Look at, oh, juicy in there. Let me take a bite. Look at this piece. Oh, it smells so good. Hang on. It's still hot. Oh, crunchy skin. Oh, yeah. Oh. So, look at this. All the fixings took me 2 hours in that air fryer, and it sure is delicious. Check out the Cosori air fryer toaster oven with a rotisserie, broiler, convection oven, toaster, whatever else it'll do for us. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Hope this will be a nice shortcut for you. Sure was for me. Talk to you soon.